Auto lens distortion compensation has to be the most underrated camera feature I can think of in a while. Case in point, this footage was recorded in ProRes RAW externally from the Sony FX30 to the Atomos Ninja V. And one would think that the counter behind me is completely bowed, but it's not. It's completely straight, as one would think a counter is. But now let's switch back to the internally recorded footage that has both no crop, because when recording ProRes RAW from the FX30, you get a 4.6K crop from 6.2K. But you'll see just how much of an effect that compensation is applying. Now that we're back to the internal compressed footage, there's no longer a crop in the image. We get the full width of the sensor, and the lens distortion compensation has kicked in, so the line of the countertop behind me is perfectly straight, no bowing effect. And to compare the two, I'm going to cut really quickly between the ProRes RAW footage and the internally compressed footage.